Today we'll talk about how can you reset Microsoft on your PowerPoint app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So then you click here on reset Microsoft, just click on it here. So then it's going to reset with you here on your PowerPoint app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.